Today, guys, we will be pretending to be a noob in Animal Company. So the first thing we have to do is, of course, we have to change our outfits. By the way, I just scammed a kid. And kid, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. I wish I could give your thing back to you. And I still have you friended, which was a stupid choice. But I stole your, I kind of stole your whole bag of, rare trading cards. I'm trying to find you to give it back, but we're doing this now.
That one guy that's gonna bring us to, like, moon map, he's just gonna, like, put us into the void.
Does anyone know how to play this game? Like, I'm new.
You have to find out how to play the game.
You have to, like, do stuff that you want. Like, it's pretty much
Can someone
just
teach
a
me?
sandbox game. No.
Hey, could someone teach me how to play in here?
I knew Bro.
Can anyone teach me how to play? Okay, no one's listening. That lobby was stupid.
I wanted to be a dog. Thank you for
Can
something.
anyone teach me how to play the game?
Like, my boss goes giving the money.
Can anyone teach me how to play this game?
Launcher.
Can anyone teach me how to play?
I would play. I would teach you. I would teach you. Daniel. I would teach you.
You're small. I need you big.
I know. Well, okay. You want to be the same exact size as me?
I want to learn how to play.
Okay, just 1 second. Let me go big. I try to.
Could we maybe like go somewhere for you to teach me?
Yeah,
one's
let's
bothering
go.
me?
Luke. Yeah, let's go.
I mean, I watch videos on here, so I might know a little bit. I know about codes and stuff. So it could be like,
Do you know how to lock?
so could we like, yeah, I mean, could we like join a code so you could like teach me more?
Yeah, just do this. Just do this.
Hey, my friend! My friend!
To also
My friend! My friend!
Look.
My friend! My friend, here you go!
Could you tell me what
Hey,
code
my
to join?
friend, here you go!
Now.
Thank you.
Could you tell me what
Welcome.
code to join?
Join 5566.
Okay, 556.
He gonna join? I don't know if he's gonna join. Will he join? My friend join? Will my...
Okay, you're right there, right? Okay, come with me, come with me. Can you talk?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine, this is the long closing. Wait, ooh! Okay, there you are.
You see that alien right there? Stage 5? I want to see that. Do you know things in here? And do you know how to grab? Do you know how to do this? Okay. So when you click A, here, grab this. So you want to click A to let it go.
Click what?
A.
Like this? To drop it?
Yeah. Yeah. And you click Y to it to go so you can fly.
I'm a natural.
And then you want to know how you can talk on this, right? You can talk on this. And you can talk to everybody in Animal Company. Not every server, but everybody in your server.
What's this?
This is shop where you buy stuff. You can buy a stick for $0. And you can kill somebody. Want to try to fight?
And you wanna know how to relock? You grab me, and you put me inside my vehicle.
And that's how you revive. Oh wait, you have Wood Watch. That means people will kill you. Here, I can kill you, and then you won't have Blood Watch. Do you want that? You want to keep Blood Watch? Okay.
I've heard
So
some
I'll get
things
you-
about like mining and stuff. I want to try that.
Oh, do you want to go mining? Okay.
Okay, here, I'll get you something. Here you go. And also, here you go. Click Y to activate it. Okay, come on.
Can I hit you with this too?
Yeah.
I've heard some things about like grapplers too, so we need that.
Yeah, I just don't have those.
Well, I didn't technically just download this game, but like some people taught me some things and they gave me some things and they told me to put it in this pink thingy called the stash.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And they
It's called
gave me
Stash.
the grapple hook thingy.
Yeah.
So I
If you
can,
click the trigger, you can get it, and you can activate it if you click the trigger. Punchy. Okay, let's go to mines.
I just got something.
Nice.
It went like ding. It made a sound. It did it again.
Oh yeah, you got a resource.
What's a research point?
Oh, resource.
Green, jump all the way down.
Here?
Jump all the way down.
Ah! What's in here? What about in here?
Make sure you don't get caught by monsters though.
There's monsters?
Yeah. It's not for people.
Do they hurt you?
Yeah. So you have to try to kill them.
Like I did to you?
Yeah.
What's this thing?
What thing? Oh yeah. That's what
If you hit it, you respawn. We're back.
Oh. Well, that's a good way to get around.
Yeah.
I got these 2 diamonds.
Nice.
Is there anything I could buy with these?
The 2 diamonds? Yeah. You can buy.
Let me try. Okay. So,
Can you heal me or no?
can you heal me?
My thing doesn't really work on my watch. I used it too much, so I can't really use it. You want to go shopping?
Shopping?
Yeah, let's see what you can buy. Yeah, let's go see what you can buy.
I already bought some stuff. This guy.
Okay, do you
This
see
guy
these
that's
purple
friends with
things right
me
here?
on my meta chat, he gifted me some of these diamonds, and I got to buy like almost everything. You want to see?
Do you see this cookie thing? This weird cookie looking thing? You can buy a snack that is blue.
Num num num. I told you I already someone already taught me some, and this guy on my chat, on my like meta texting, he sent me some of these diamonds, and I bought like almost everything. And then I went to this code, and people were just giving me money by selling these things with these little round circles in it. They look like shredders or something. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
That thing does not work. I don't know if you can hear me. But yes.
So this other guy taught me some stuff, and he gifted me some points, and then someone gave me some money, so now I could buy stuff, and I bought almost everything.
I am back. Where was the pink pug?
Can you hear me?
Where's the pink pug?
Who's this guy?
I need the pink pug.
There's someone in here.
I need the pink pug's
Okay,
friend.
1 second, wait down. And me again! Make Windows 15!
Okay, 1 second.
Pink. Hey, Pink.
Yeah,
Hi, Puggy.
buddy.
I
Hi.
just got out of timeout from actually knocking down the TV.
You
But
knocked down the
maybe they
TV.
break.
That's what you bumped into.
Yeah,
Don't
it didn't
feel
break. It did not break.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Yeah, I was like
I
grounded
thought
for a
like a
minute.
cat attacked you. If you have a cat, someone was saying that you did.
I don't got pets. And I
Oh.
hate cats. Cause one time my cousin
Exactly.
cat scratched me for no reason. It attacked me.
I don't hate all animals, but cats are annoying.
It literally
But-
scratched me on the leg. It got me on the leg when I was
feel
running
bad for you.
away from it.
But that was a pretty big timeout, you guys.
Pink.
It was a black cat. Even though a gray cat.
Pink.
I mean to say gray cat.
I'm teaching this
Lucky
whole thing.
they flew it out the house.
I'm
They
teaching somebody right now.
They
I'm teaching him how
they
to
like
play.
took that back to the place they got it from. And
Oh,
now we got
but
for good. Yeah.
This person's new, and I'm trying to teach him. You want to help me?
Yes. Hold this. This is for you.
Hey, Pink.
But
So, You know how I told you I've played this game a little before and someone's taught me some stuff? Well, this one
Yeah.
person got me some of these diamonds. I don't know if he was like a hacker or something. And he gave me a lot of money. And now
Yeah, he's probably hacker.
I bought
He's
like a
probably
lot of
admin.
I bought like a lot of things. So like I have this.
Wait, come here. Look, this is for you. This is for you. Put it in your stash. Put it in your stash. This is the almighty admin grappler hook sword. The one and only. And you can have this. My shield. The one's where I got like 6 shields mixed together to make a mega shield. This for if somebody's trying to shoot you from any side. This also is for you, Green. Green,
So
this
I have
also
a
for you.
couple stuff from
Wait,
that
just show your
hacker.
TV did not blaze.
I have a couple stuff from that hacker in my shop.
Can I see what you got?
Yeah.
Wait, you want this? You want this?
No, he got me both of them. Can I show you something?
Yeah.
Wait, whoever got a box? Do you got a box? You hear me? Do you got a box? Hey, do you got a box? I need a box right now.
Yeah, I don't have a box.
Okay.
I thought you knew.
Was I?
Oh, he did a cap. He did the cap.
Can I tell you something though?
That is messed up. Capping about you as a noob. That is messed up as a cap.
Oh.
Okay, I would be quiet.
So I'm a YouTuber making a YouTube video right now.
Yeah, YouTube. Okay.
And I was pretending to be a noob. It didn't really take that long. So I'm surprised. So shout out to Jessica, the pink pug, and this guy that technically joined as a friend.
Ow! I'm back. Wait, I need to do something really quick.
Okay. So that's the end of our video, everyone. Bye.